this is Elena, and today we're going to be cooking for the first time ever.
Yay.
Yeah, so today they are going to be cooking for the first time. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
And can you let them know what's on the menu?
We're cooking burgers and fries.
Are you guys ready?
Yes. I'm a little nervous, but
All right. Okay, so we got the flat top here, and it's on, so you can start placing them. Take off the paper divider.
that sizzle.
Yep, and put it on there. This will cook it like 8. We'll do like 8.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, it's frozen. Why are you scared?
Because we're not trying to burn our hands. Cook the last 2. Oh, 3. It's freezing my hand. Alright. That's all the burgers done. Well, not done, but you know what I mean.
Okay, so next you gotta put on some seasonings. As we got salt, pepper, garlic.
I'll put on garlic. You want to put on garlic?
Not too much now. You gotta do it right. That's it. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay. Alright. Pepper. There's like barely any in here. And then salt.
Just right. Yeah. Alright, so the burgers are on. They got their seasonings. So now we're just gonna wait until it's time to flip them. So we will be right back, guys. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? We are back, and I guess it's time to flip them. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so it's not hard. Just take it and flip it. Just like that. You see? Let me do one more. And flip it. See? It's not hard.
Do you have to put seasoning on the other side or just?
You can, but sometimes I don't. Yeah.
That thing popped on me.
Flip them, flip that one too. All right, breathe. You ready? Oh man. God damn. Yeah, under there. Just scoop it. Yeah, just like that. Nice.
You got the ones in the back?
You might not be able to do the ones in the back.
Oh, Lord.
Uh-oh. Oh, what you doing? Yeah. Oh, all right. I'll just switch it. Make it easy.
I can't feel it.
There you go, Bree. Get closer. Yeah. There you go. Just scoop it. Just like that. Flip it. Yeah, good job. Alright. So now we got all burgers flipped, and now it's not going to take much longer. So we'll just wait, and we'll be right back. So when you do these burgers, Bree, Mari, always like keep the temp like right here. Like,
Towards the drop.
now like that right there, that'll be way too hot. So you want to keep about halfway mid.
Keep it close to that little light.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. So these burgers are almost done. Well, actually, these burgers, I think they done. So, but yeah. These burgers here, do not smash these because you want to make sure these burgers stay juicy.
I want to it.
Lana, you want to flip it?
Yeah, put it.
Yeah. Hey, good job.
Took another one.
Oh,
Oh,
Lord. You
you
gonna flip them
push it
all?
off.
There you go. Hey, good job. So, are these burgers done?
I think so, and I would hope so.
Well, it's time to... do the fries. You guys ready to do the fries?
Yes.
Alright, tune in YouTube, we'll be right back. Alright YouTube, we are back. So now they have their fries ready. So are you guys ready to drop them?
Yes.
Alright Mari, you drop that side first. Just put it nice and easy. Yeah. Bree, you put them in there. Do it nice and easy. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let these fries cook and we'll be right back. Alright, what's going on YouTube? We are back, and so what's going on?
The French fries are done.
The fries are done?
Yes.
Alright, well, it's time to raise them back up. And let it sit right there. Yeah, so all you do is just let it drain some. Let's shake it a little bit. Whoops. Yeah. So we're gonna just let the fries drain some first, and then we'll find something to put these fries in. Hey, go find me a bowl. Put a little cooking today. So how do you guys feel?
I feel better.
Bree, what about you? You feel good now?
I feel like I could possibly cook a burger on my own now.
Yeah, I mean, you know, burgers is not that hard.
Yeah, it doesn't seem too hard.
Yeah, so
I might make me one for lunch tomorrow.
not bad. All right, so we're gonna let these fries drain some, and then we're gonna put them inside a bowl, and then we're gonna put a little salt and shake them up, and then eat. We'll be right back.
What's up, y'all? So the food is done, and boy, are we glad, because I'm starving. So yeah, let's see how the kids did.
Yep.
All right,
Let's take our first bites.
Lena already bit. Lena, how was it?
Good.
Okay.
The food done.
Good.
Yeah.
It cooked all the way. I was worried.
I know.
I was worried, y'all.
Yep.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's good,
Yeah.
awesome.
It tastes good.
All right. Remember it was on Mario and Bree.
Yep.
Good.
I might cook me one tomorrow.
All right,
Let me
guys.
try to try it. Wait.
Oh yeah, the fries.
Let's see.
Stop. Yummy.
That's mine.
That is good.
Right. Really? It's my plate.
Fries bomb. They cook perfect.
Yep.
All right, y'all. All right. So, if y'all haven't already, make sure you guys like, subscribe,